Hey Jeff.
Hey Ross.
So you have a lot of smart home technology here. Looking at a smart thermostat.
Yep.
Tell me about it.
Yep, so this thermostat has two unique things that are unique to the industry. One of them is the voice command control.
Wow.
So I can use my phone and just say, hey Siri, please set the temperature to 70 degrees in the living room.
Okay, I set the living room to about 70 degrees Fahrenheit.
The other neat feature is on your tablet, you can actually monitor the performance of each and every zone in the house.
So I'm looking at indoor temperature, outdoor temperature, relative humidity, indoor and outdoor, and I'm looking at the performance of the system over time.
Exactly.
Wow. And will it alert me if I have an issue?
Absolutely. That's the best part. If there's ever a problem with any of the zones in the house, it'll send you a text or an email.
Wow, we're really ratcheting up a notch here.
Absolutely.
Smart security?
Yep, let me show you.
All right.
So Ross, here's the alarm system. Traditional alarm system that we can control through our phones remotely. We've got electronic deadbolts, pet friendly, and what I like most about it, for a house that's the beach house where it may not be occupied all year, we've got water sensors under the water heater and both washing machines. And we have a low temperature alarm.
I mean, I really love that. The peace of mind to know that you get your temperature and water covered on a house that gets sporadic use.
Exactly.
It's very important.
Exactly.
And I heard there's smart lighting?
Yeah, show in the kitchen.
Okay.
So Ross, in a room this open, we used to have to put 3-ways and 4-way switching on the walls. And then we only had one location for the dimmer. Now we have a lighting control system which you can access at every point on the switch, and it's got dimming control for each and every device.
So you don't have one dimmer anymore that you have to always go back to. Any of the switches have a dimming capability. Okay, cool.
Now the other thing we have is we can put it on a remote. We can set up anywhere in the room, and we can use our phone. So I can set it up manually or through voice command.
What I love about that is that you can control from anywhere in the world if you get the phone control.
That's exactly.
And also with the smart speaker.
Exactly. What I really like is the ability to combine different lights together and create different scenes. So for instance, if we're cooking, we want all the lights as bright as possible. But when it comes time to dining, we want to dim the lights and create a different atmosphere.
What about coming home at night?
We can set the system up so that we can be 5 minutes away remotely on our phone. We can light up the pathway right through the house.
Yep, and the random scheduling I heard?
Yep, so if you're away on vacation, you don't want anyone to figure that out, we can let the lights control at random pattern.
So you're changing the time that you turn them on and off.
Exactly.
Wow, that's
Fool
really
anybody.
cool. And that's not all it can do, right?
No.
I heard this one more thing?
Yeah, let me show you.
All right.
So I can control the lights just like we did in the kitchen. But what's really neat, with the same system, we can control the shades.
Wow, automated shades too. Wow, from the same system?
The other thing we can do in here is we can create scenes, create a daytime scene. So in the morning, the lights will go on, the shades will go up. In the evening, we can set a shade down and a lights off.
So I see it's easy to use and easy to operate. What about the installation?
Pretty similar to a traditional system.
Okay. Well, if it's that easy to use and install, I'm taking the remote with me.
It's all right, I can override it on my phone.
It's one smart house.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.